YouTube, it's Jessica and I'm here with a new video. This is my first paycheck in June breakdown. If that is something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. And now let's get started on the video. So I'm gonna bring you into my iPad so you can see our budget, the budget that we're working with for our first paycheck in June. So my first paycheck in June, the amount that we are budgeting with is $778. And what I did is my fixed income and my debt is auto pay, so I have those amounts come out directly from my account. So I don't necessarily budget that. To me, that just counts as money that I don't have because they're being sent to pay for these items, which are non-negotiable for me. So everything after that is money that I can somewhat play with and try to cut down my expenses in these different areas. And that's the way that I see my budget, so that I stay on track with, you know, one, paying all my bills, and then two, paying down my debt, which is the main reason why I'm honing in on my finances and really seeing where my money is going. So I'm going to bring you in a little closer to the variable expenses, which is the area that I feel that you can make the most changes and kind of save money. You know, every little bit counts, and I do believe that. It may not seem like a lot of money, $5, $10 here and there, but as you start setting that money aside each month, it will add up. So that's what I'm doing here. My variable expenses, from the $778, I knew that I wanted to break that up into these different categories for this paycheck. And I have groceries, then I have fun money, which is our eating out, you know, family time sort of envelope. Then I have personal, which is my personal envelope. I have gas for my car. I have the kids, which is mainly wipes and diapers for my child that is still in wipes and diapers. Then I have clothes, which applies to everyone in our family. Then I have my health, and I call it beauty, but I guess it's toiletries. It's like shampoo, conditioner, skincare, things of that nature that we need, because I don't count that with groceries. However, I do count cleaning products under groceries. So that's just the way that it works for me, because I tend to buy groceries where I get cleaning products, but I don't tend to buy, you know, my shampoo and conditioner from the grocery store. Then I have my car, which is car maintenance, and in this instance I'm also doing car insurance under that category, just because I'm trying to set aside money each month to be able to pay the next time that I have to pay, or next time that my policy renews, I want to be able to pay it up front to save a little more money. So that's why I'm setting aside more money for car than I normally would. So then that total of all the variable expenses equals $631. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can see. For my savings, I have my emergency fund, which is $100, and then my sinking fund, $47, and that's $147. And then this amount, I tend to wait till I do my second paycheck, and then I kind of have a total amount for sinking funds, and I first fund my top three, and then everything else will get whatever's left, kind of divided among it. So together we have $631 plus $147 is $778. And I know that I have an extra dollar. I ended up getting $779. So I think that we might be off by $1, but I'll just put that towards a challenge that I'm doing, so that's fine.